Hi guys, if this is your first time come to China and you have no idea how to take the high-speed train, then this video is for you. Come explore with me. I'm a college student from China and today I'm going on a special trip from Wuhan to my hometown Jiangsu province. It's because we are celebrating my grandpa's 80th birthday. That's right, 80th birthday. The whole journey is about 700 kilometers and my train ticket cost 249 renminbi, which is around $34. Honestly, for a student like me, it's not super cheap, but totally worth it for family.
换乘7号线 We're arriving at Wangjiadun East.
Hi guys, right now I'm on the subway, just leaving from my university. You know, it's not weekend, but still so many people. Alright, we are heading into the station now and look this crowd. So here is an important tip. If you are traveling to China, try your best to avoid the big traditional holidays like Spring Festival or National Day. Trust me, the traffic and the crowds will level up instantly. Okay, let's scan my ticket and on my phone it shows my gate is 11A, located on the second floor. So let's head upstairs together. While we are taking the escalator, let me quickly show you how to buy a train ticket on your phone. I use an app called 12306, which is basically China's official railway app, and I mentioned it in my last video. And yes, good news, it has an English version. You can register with your passport or your credit card, and then choose your travel time and destination. For example, if you want to go from Beijing to Shanghai, the app will show your price, available discounts, and the different seat classes like first class and second class. That's super convenient and the way easier than buying at the station. Alright, we have now arrived at the Hankou railway station. Based on what we saw on our phone and the big display screens, our gate is at 11A. Now I'm heading over to meet my mom. We have arrived at the check-in gates. If you are traveling with passport or a foreign ID, make sure to use the manual check-in line right over there. It's usually faster and the staff can help you right away. 我们在14车厢。都放这儿。
这把鞋穿我们试试，要系带。
不好意思。Okay, later we found our seats. The train has just started moving, and wow, it's really super fast. So now let me show you some basic facilities on China's high-speed trains. First, this is the hot water station, completely free. Here's the trash bin, and next to it is the washing area. Look, even at the sink, there's a free charging outlet, which is super convenient. Now I'm going to get some hot water because I need to make my instant noodles. I haven't had breakfast yet. I took it from my university. It looks so good. 3, 2, 1. 哇塞哇塞。And now I want to show you the meal delivery service on China's high-speed trains. Right now, the interface I'm using is Chinese, but don't worry, I will explain everything in English so you can follow along. First, you can simply scan the QR code on the armrest next to your seat, right here. Then you enter your train information. Today we are riding train 3158, so I will put that in. After that, select your departure station and arrival station. Our route today starts from Hankou and ends in my hometown, Taizhou Station. Now we are on the menu page. There are all kinds of options here, different sets, snacks, drinks, and we finally choose the celery shrimp meal set. Can you see that? Once you pick your meal, you enter your carriage number, we are in train 14, and my seat number, which is 10C. Next, select your delivery time. We choose between 12 and 12:13 p.m. And in the notes section, we added that we need tableware. Don't forget it. You can pay with WeChat Pay or Alipay. If you want to know how to download or use them, check out my previous video. Finally, in less than 20 minutes, the train crew brought our meal right to our seat. Take a look. What do you think? It looks so good. After about 4 hours, we arrived. We arrived! In the next video, I will take you to my rural hometown in Taizhou and show you around. Can't wait to share it with you.
旅客们下车后，请走在白色安全线以内。在站台行走时，请不要看手机。
知味道，人哋味道。书包也不错的，哦不了。 So that's it for today's vlog. If you are coming to China for the first time, now you know how to do that, how much it costs, and what to expect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.